Welcome to the Wealth Alarm. Today, we're diving into the essentials of building wealth from scratch. Don't worry, this won't be a tedious lecture. We'll keep it practical, engaging, and maybe even toss in a joke or two. Part 1. Beware of bad advice. Let's start with a simple but crucial piece of advice. Be wary of where you get your financial wisdom. Taking money advice from someone who's constantly broke is like getting diet tips from a donut sweet but not very effective. Instead, seek advice from those who have achieved what you aspire to. After all, you wouldn't ask someone who's never swum to teach you how to swim, would you? Part 2. Choosing a career or business. When choosing a career or business, think beyond the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Look for roles where your income isn't just tied to the hours you work, like sales or entrepreneurship. It's like being a chef who gets paid for every dish they serve, rather than just for the time they spend in the kitchen. More dishes, more money. Part 3. Investment habits. Investing early is key, even if it's just a small amount. The power of compound interest can make your money grow faster than a teenager outgrowing their shoes. Consider using a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. Think of it as planting a financial seed that will grow into a sturdy money tree over time. Part 4. Saving and living frugally. Saving is the cornerstone of wealth building. Aim to save more than the typical 10% of your income. Living frugally doesn't mean living miserably, it's about making smart choices. It's like choosing a cup of tea at home over a pricey cafe latte. Both warm you up, but one leaves more money in your pocket. Part 5. Multiple income streams. Diversify your income streams. Think of it as having multiple cups of tea. If one spills, you've still got plenty left. From dividends and rental income to side hustles, having multiple income streams protects you from unexpected financial shocks. Part 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. But beware of lifestyle inflation. It's like eating all the biscuits in one go just because you can. Tempting, but not wise. Instead, maintain your current lifestyle and invest the extra income. It's not about looking wealthy, it's about being wealthy. Part 7. Long-term planning. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Set clear financial goals, whether it's buying a home, saving for retirement, or just building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is like a financial cushion, comfortable and essential. Aim for about £2,000 to cover unexpected expenses, like a car repair or a surprise bill. Part 8. Debt management and investing basics. Debt can be a huge hurdle in your wealth-building journey. Focus on paying off high-interest debts, first credit cards, car loans, you name it. The debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first, can help build momentum. And as you clear debt, start investing. Even 3 to 5% of your income in a broad-based index fund can set you on the path to financial growth. Part 9. Education and skill building. Never stop learning. Personal finance education is vital. Whether it's books, podcasts, or online courses, the more you know, the better you'll manage your money. And don't forget to build your skills. Learning something new, like a language or a trade, can open up new income opportunities. It's like adding another tool to your financial toolkit. Part 10. Developing good financial habits. Developing good financial habits is like building a strong foundation for a house. It's not just about how much you earn, but how well you manage it. Save regularly, invest wisely, and spend mindfully. With each good habit, you're laying another brick on your path to financial freedom. Building wealth from scratch isn't reserved for the rich and famous. It's about making smart, consistent choices that anyone can follow. With the right mindset, a bit of planning, and some good humor along the way, you can set yourself up for a prosperous future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Wealth Alarm for more tips and tricks on personal finance and investing. And make sure to check out our next video on the best side hustles to boost your income. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.